Dips and relishes 72. Little extra sharp bite would enhance the taste. My daughter likes it with yogurt over rice, or maybe over a salad or with a sandwich spread. Or, I suggest serving this in a side bowl so that your diners can add it as they choose. It's nice to have the relish on only a bite here and there, as a change of pace. This is at its best the first 3 days after you make it. Then it gradually loses its bite without spoiling. I've eaten and enjoyed it over a week after making it. 1-2 medium onions, finely chopped, about 3/4 cup chopped, 1/2-1 teaspoon salt or to taste, 1 tablespoon lemon juice or to taste, 1/8 to 1/4 teaspoon cayenne, optional. Combine ingredients, stir and refrigerate at least an hour before serving.